Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger. This is also very interesting video because in this video I have make a fun with youtube.com site. So stay with us and watch this full video and enjoy the fun. So before that subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all these videos regularly. So let's get started. So for making the fun with YouTube, here I will choose my one video. So I will choose my this video. In this video you can see I have got 116 views and 16 likes. So I will change it. So for changing it I will select it and right click and again click on inspect. So here a developer box is opened. So in this box a code is highlighted. So right click on that code and click on edit as HTML. So I will click on edit as HTML and here you can see you can edit it code. So here I will make it 6 million and click anywhere on the code. So on the page you can see the from 116 it has changed to 6 billion. And in this video I have got 16 likes. So here I will change it by clicking right click there and click on inspect. After that a code will highlighted. Here the code is highlighted. Right click there and click on edit as HTML. Here the code is highlighted. Here the value of likes is 16. I will change it to 50,000 and click anywhere on the code and close this box. Here you can see the likes are 50k and views are 6 billion. After refreshing the page, you can see it, they are disappear. So that was a fun. Thank you guys for watching this whole video. If you enjoyed this fun, then like this video and share it to your friends for knowing them about it. So how it was, tell me in the comment section and subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications regularly. Thank you.